Greetings, YouTube. It's another day in the life of the stupid bird. So let's go over and take a look. Let's see what's happening in the nest today. I thought I saw stupid bird take off earlier. The baby Rodon seemed to be asleep. I don't want to be over here taking their picture too long. I don't want Mama Bird to come back and get mad. Hey, they've been eating on the bread I left them. That's cool. I was hoping they wouldn't have to go far to look for some food for themselves. Every once in a while, these little guys wake up and start screaming, and here comes the big birds in with some bugs. I'm lucky I'm catching them in their in-between feedings when they're taking their little naps. So I'll be back again with another stupid bird update. Stay tuned.